Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make ナスと豚バラのピリ辛味噌炒め. It's eggplant aubergine and pork rib slices cooked with spicy miso sauce. Very easy to make but punchy and rice consuming dish. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this dish, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 4 to 5 small eggplant, 400-gram pork rib slices, 2 tablespoons each of miso and sugar, 3 tablespoons each of sake and mirin, 2 teaspoons each of grated garlic, and doubanjan, spicy bean paste. As always, all the cutting first, so eggplant. Cut the stem off, cut it into 4 long ways. Then into half. And release them in cold water, just a plain water, to stop browning. Then pork, let's just cut it into bite-sized pieces. Okay, let's make the miso sauce. You just need to put everything in a small bowl and mix. So 2 tablespoons of miso, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of sake, and mirin, 2 teaspoons of garlic paste, and gochujang, spicy paste. Give it a mix. And the sauce is ready. Heat up frying pan over medium heat and let's cook the pork first. You don't need any oil. When the pork is almost cooked, add eggplant as you dry them with kitchen paper. Give it a mix. So eggplant is coated with the oil. Put the lid on to steam cook the eggplant with the moisture of itself. Cook for 3 minutes. Give it a mix. Put the lid back on and let's cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes. Looks good, so let's add the sauce. Give it a mix. Keep cooking for another 1 minute to cook down the sauce and it's done. Serve in the plate. Optional, but some sliced green onion and sesame seeds and ナスと豚バラのピリ辛味噌炒め It's ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。The miso sauce is salty, sweet, and spicy, and it's so good. I said it's rice consuming, but it's beer consuming too. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. The dish I cooked today is the main, so let's put it here. Plain rice here and wakame soup here. Anything you like for the side dishes, but how about vegetable sticks with miso mayo dipping sauce for one of them and some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!